The debate between NVIDIA and AMD in the GPU industry is complex, as both companies have strengths and weaknesses. However, NVIDIA has maintained a dominant position in several key areas, making it the preferred choice for many users. Here's why NVIDIA is often considered better than AMD in the GPU market. 1. Performance and efficiency. Superior architecture. NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace, RTX 40 series, and previous Ampere, RTX 30 series, architectures offer better performance per watt compared to AMD's RDNA 3, RX 7000 series. Higher peak performance. NVIDIA's flagship GPUs, e.g., RTX 4090, outperform AMD's best, RX 7900 XTX, in both gaming and professional workloads. DLSS and frame generation. NVIDIA's DLSS 3.5, AI-powered upscaling, is more advanced than AMD's FSR, providing better image quality and performance boosts in supported games. 2. Ray tracing and AI acceleration. Better ray tracing performance. NVIDIA's RT cores are more efficient, making real-time ray tracing more viable in games. AI and tensor cores. NVIDIA GPUs include dedicated tensor cores for AI workloads, accelerating tasks like DLSS, AI rendering, and deep learning. AMD relies on general compute units. CUDA ecosystem. NVIDIA's CUDA platform dominates AI, machine learning, and professional applications, e.g., Blender, TensorFlow, while AMD's ROCm lags behind in adoption. 3. Software and driver support. More stable drivers. NVIDIA generally has fewer driver-related issues compared to AMD, which has historically faced problems with stability and optimization. Game-ready drivers. NVIDIA releases optimized drivers for major game launches, often providing better day-one performance. Better features. Reflex reduces input lag in competitive games. Broadcast Suite, AI-powered noise removal, background blur. NVENC encoder, superior for streaming and video encoding. 4. Professional and data center dominance. NVIDIA dominates AI and HPC. Their A100/H100 GPUs power most AI research in data centers, while AMD's Instinct MI300 is catching up but lacks CUDA compatibility. Better professional software support. NVIDIA Quadro, now RTX A series, cards are industry standards for 3D rendering, e.g., Maya, SolidWorks, while AMD's Radeon Pro lineup has weaker adoption. 5. Market share and developer support. Larger market share. NVIDIA controls 80% of the discrete GPU market, leading to better game optimizations. More game dev partnerships. Many AAA games are optimized for NVIDIA first, e.g., RTX effects in Cyberpunk 2077, Alan Wake 2. 6. Where AMD beats NVIDIA. Price to performance. Rasterization. AMD often offers better value in pure rasterized gaming, e.g., RX 7800 XT versus RTX 4070. VRAM. AMD tends to offer more VRAM at lower price points, e.g., RX 7900 XTX is 24GB versus RTX 4080 16GB. Open source support. AMD works better with Linux/open source drivers. 7. Conclusion. NVIDIA is generally better for ray tracing and AI-enhanced gaming, DLSS. Professional workloads, AI, rendering, CUDA. Cutting-edge features and driver stability. AMD is better for budget/mid-range gaming, more VRAM, cheaper. Open source/Linux users. Pure rasterization performance, non-RT games.